actually as a free agent, you know, so he must have something for a Sundowns who won't find a free agent in Europe. But he's going to get into the... Oh, straight red! Oh, what a way to introduce yourself! A straight red for Reisinho on debut. Oh, drama.
What happened here? Ah, that looks dangerous. No, that's a red card.
Now I'm wondering though, was it deliberate?
No, that's a red card.
Oh my word.
That's a red card.
That's a bad challenge.
That's a bad challenge. And I've seen those. I'm struggling now to have a look at it. I've seen players. One of them was my teammate, was Dan Malesen.
Could you argue was going for the ball at all there?
Even if you were going for the ball,
yeah,
but that was no ball. Even if
you missed the ball, yeah?
You missed the ball.
It's a straight red.
It's a straight red. There's no excuse there.
My word, what an inglorious introduction to South African football. Miguel Reisinho. How long has he even been on the field?
Is it seconds?
Sundowns are now down to 10 men with a possibility of extra time.
Now there's a thinking tank to say, what are we going to do? What do we need to do?